Today we will dive into the world of BMW engines, and this time we will be talking about a very popular one, so here is everything you need to know about the M54 engines. The BMW's M54 is a naturally aspirated straight-six petrol engine produced from 2000 until 2006. It made its first appearance in the E53 X5 as the replacement for the M52 engine. Also, a very important thing to mention is that M54 was included in the world's top 10 most reliable engines list. The M54 was produced in 4 versions: M54 B22, M54 B25, B30 and S54 B32 is also a variant of this engine. The B22 version could be found in the BMW E45, E39, E36, E85 and of course E60. It has a horsepower of around 170 and 210 Newton meters of torque. The B25 engine was introduced in all the same vehicles as the B22, but this one could also be found in the BMW E83 X3. This version has 190 horsepower and 205 Newton meters of torque. The B30 could be found in the same vehicles as the versions mentioned above, but this could also be found inside E65 7 Series and also in the Wiesmann MF30 because they borrowed this particular engine from BMW. We also have the S54 engine, which has marketed as the high-performance equivalent of the M54. However, it is actually more an evolution of the BMW S50 and shares few parts with the M54. As per the S50, the engine block is made of cast iron, unlike the aluminum engine block used by the M54, and redline is at 8000 RPM. The S54 has around 340 horsepower and 365 Newton meters of torque. It was featured in the famous E46 M3, Z3 and Z4 Roadster and Wiesmann MF3 Roadster as well. These engines throughout the years are one of the most reliable German engines ever made, and with proper maintenance they could go over hundreds of thousands kilometers. That is all you need to know about the M54 engines. Which one would you like to see in the next episode?
Trener che plus brza cola Lui i Chanel iz aviona Vidiš Balkan bandu kriminel This is drog Amsterdam Droga Amsterdam This is drog Amsterdam